Hi, welcome back to WTF RC Cars. So, let's have a quick unboxing of the Xray XB4 2020 1/10th luxury electric off-road buggy apparently. It's a four-wheel drive one. So, let's try and do this with one hand. I've already cut the tape on it, so it's cheating a little bit. But need to get something else sorted out for a camera. Right, what do we have? So, that one I believe is the serial number. So, we'll keep that one out of shot. I'm not sure if anybody can do out with it, but rather not risk it. We have an instruction manual and a boatload of stickers. Let's slide that up there. So, for once I think the instruction manual is definitely going to be something we'll be using. We have a chassis. Wonder if they're gaskets. Possibly. I have to read instructions. Now, to what I've been told with, or to what I've seen with Xray builds, apparently they're a bit not quite as organised as some other manufacturers with the way that they bag things up. So potentially end up opening lots of different bags for different parts of the build. But there's definitely some nice looking parts in there. Not exactly sure if they're what you cut down for gaskets or if they just soak moisture up in bag. Never had an Xray. Nice that you actually get the wheels with these. I know some of the 1/10th racing buggies you don't get wheels. That's an assortment of, I think it's diff grease, shock oil. Not sure if that's diff grease, definitely looks like shock oil. Might be diff oil as well. In fact, I think with the ratings of them, that's possibly, is it front shock, rear shock? Potentially diff. I think that one's, yeah, that's graphite grease. There are all the A-arms and everything. A load of Velcro for holding body on. What are they? They look like bulkheads. A lot of carbon bits in this. They're all the shockers, bouncing around, scratching themselves. And then we have a wing. And a little body. An aerial straw long enough for 27 megs. And I believe these two are the little chassis protectors. So we'll get rid of the box. Right, so that is the contents of an Xray XB4 2020. Lots of carbon bits and doesn't look overly complicated to build. I've had a quick look through instructions. I think I've built more complicated Tamiya kits over years. But yeah, there you go. The unboxing and contents of a 2020 Xray XB4 four-wheel drive 1/10th racing buggy. Apparently it's a luxury one. See if we have to do any filing or cutting or drilling of parts and I'll make my decision whether it's a luxury build or not. But thanks for watching WTF RC Cars. If you like and subscribe. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and leave any comments below. Thanks again.